Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
With this, I would like to thank all the dignitaries who helped us in organization of this Guru Dakshata. I would like to start with the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Professor Dr. Himanshu Pandya. He is always an inspiration. He is always a boosting force behind all the activities of the university. Whenever it comes to UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, he is always there to support us, whether we require a support administratively or we require support in terms of money. He is always there to boost our confidence and motivate us for all innovative endeavors. I would like to thank him. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Professor Dr. Himanshu Pandya. Dr. Jagdish Bhavsar, the Pro Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University. He is also one of the pillar and guide to UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. He is a source of inspiration, guidance, and support to UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. Without his help, we could not develop such a mammoth task called Guru Dakshata. I would like to thank him. I would like to express heartfelt gratitude to him on behalf of all the participants and the team of Gujarat University's HRDC. Honorable Registrar of Gujarat University, Dr. P.M. Patel, is very simple and supportive person. He is a friend of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. He is one of the regular resource person to this university's HRDC, and he is one of the administrator who supports the HRDC whenever it is required. So I would like to thank him. First of all, I would like to thank University Grants Commission for giving us support, funding, and motivation to organize this Guru Dakshata program. I would like to thank all the office bearers of UGC, the chairman of UGC, Dr. D.P. Singh, the secretary of UGC, Dr. Radnesh Jain, the joint secretary of UGC HRDC section, Dr. Archana Thakur, and all the office bearers of UGC for their enormous support. I would like to thank Ministry of Human Resource Development. I would like to thank the office bearers of Gujarat University for their kind support. I would like to thank all the resource persons who have contributed to this Guru Dakshata program. I would like to thank whole technical team who helped us day and night to develop this online Guru Dakshata program. I would like to thank the editorial team. I would like to thank the information and communication team. I would like to thank the companies who provided their support services. I would like to thank all those who provided their support services to us. I would like to thank all the administrative staff members of Gujarat University, all the academic staff members of Gujarat University. I would like to thank my team, the staff members of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Professor Chandrakant Bhai Brahmbhatt, Professor Preeti Mayani ji, Janki Ben, Peenal Ben, Jhalak Ben, Daksha Ben, Kalpesh, Mahendra, Rishi Bhai Pandya, and all the members of team of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. I would like to thank all the resource persons for their enormous support. I would like to thank all those who directly or indirectly helped us to make this Guru Dakshata program a successful program. Well begin is half done. It is really well begin, and I would like to say that it is half done in those terms. I would like to thank all the participants for whom we are organizing this program. So with this, I would like to thank all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thank you to all of you. And with this, we conclude the inaugural session and we'll meet in the next technical session. Thank you very much.